Here are some fun new Paw Patrol toys we're going to open. The first one is Jungle Explorer 2-pack. It's a jungle rescue. It includes Zuma and Chase,
as well as Mandy, the monkey.
They have 2 fun vehicles. Chase's vehicle has a lookout duck. You can place the figurines inside the vehicle so they can roll to the rescue. But now let's go ahead and open up this fun one and play with it. There's very little assembly required. Zuma's hovercraft runs on wheels. It could go pretty fast. Here's Chase and his rescue vehicle. You've got a moving tool in the back. Mandy can ride along in the back. Chase is a jungle explorer and rescuer, and just like Zuma, he's equipped for that. They have their explorer boots,
Explorer hats,
and their rescue gear on their backs.
Mandy loves to tag along and get into trouble.
The pups have moving parts, including their heads and their legs. Their other gear is not removable, and they ride their rescue vehicle off to the jungle rescue.
Hop on board, Mandy.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol!
Let's go ahead and open up Rubble's rig too.
Rubble's cranny!
Yeah, he has a crane on this one. It's a new one.
Hey, help me get out of jail!
It's a digging bulldozer.
Get me out of jail now!
And look at this. You can also lift and lower the crane in the back.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol! Ooh, 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 ah, 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 ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah.
Yeah, let's go ahead and open up this toy.
Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah.
She doesn't have a driver's license for a rig.
Mandy! Ria, 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 Ria. Burp, burp, burp.
There is a working scoop, however. It does have movable parts so you can pick up debris and haul it away. Look at this! Zuma and Chase are coming to help. More TIE fighters!
all fighters. Oh, and did you notice something really cool? Puts the engine and it moves the blasters.
That's cool. Does it fire?
Yeah, it does. Press this little button to fire it.
There are blasters at the bottom too.
But they're really hard to fire when it's on the ground.
What is this ship called?
The Imperial Assault Carrier.
And it does carry TIE fighters. Right at the bottom.
Oh, and do you know what's the coolest part?
What's the coolest part? Troopers.
There are little crate spots. There's one there. And one here.
And who's that guy sitting on the crates?
A pilot. You have to look at the window though. Bird.
Whoa, that's cool.
There's the pilot.
And he's got a lever so he can control this thing.
There's like a little control panel. It's printed to direct the pilot. Oh, and did I tell you that there are missile cannons right here?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's time to fix the TIE fighters and attach them to the transporter.
Oh, did I show you could stack them?
Nice.
Triple TIE fighters. Never you're in trouble. Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol will be there on the double. Ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah.
Check out these fun new Paw Patrol toys we're going to be playing with today. Are you a villager? I take that as a yes. No? Patrick is nodding his head no. What are you? I can't figure it out. I don't understand your language. What are you?
Elephant.
Oh. Oh. Oh, you sound like a villager.
I am an elephant villager.
You're an elephant villager. Cool. Let's take a look at our first one. It's Sky Pup to Hero playset. This is cool.
Do you see it can turn?
Yeah. Sky goes inside and becomes a pup hero.
I think Marshall or one of them has to slide on their bellies. Guess who this obstacle course gets to win one of those trophies. But if you're in last place, you get bronze.
This is the pullback pup gift set.
You get another changer, but it's with Marshall.
Yeah, this one is Marshall Pup to Hero playset. And Marshall changes from regular pup to hero pup.
And then you put that Marshall in the empty hole. Then you just turn that, and then he becomes this Marshall.
Let's see that. Let's open it up.
Because there are two Marshalls.
Yeah, there are two.
See, look. So let's get this firehouse out. Let's get the pups out. So here's 1 and 2. See, look, I turn it and you see one of those holes?
Yep.
So then you put this guy in here, like this. And then you have to turn this to the empty hole. And then you put this guy here. Then just turn it for like this a little bit. Then do this and he's all geared up.
Marshall to the rescue.
I need to get geared up. So I'm going in here. And... Voila!
Yeah! Marshall, you look good. I like your new clothes. Your firefighter rescue clothes. Ruff, ruff, aroo!
Why do you always do that aroo thing now?
It's cool. No?
Do something else like ruff, ruff,
How about we let the audience decide? Leave a comment down below if you like the riff riff aroo! Or do you want me to change it to something else like
ruff, ruff,
or that? We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's go ahead and open up our next set.
I'm going inside. Goodbye.
It's Sky, Pup to Hero playset. She also turns from regular pup into hero pup. They can play hide and seek in their pup houses.
Wait, that's not a good one. So there, click, 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 click.
Oh, right. But this is her cool pup house. Check it out. I love the little awning.
Who's out there? Who are you?
Hey, you know who I am.
Get out of here. This is my spot. Get out of here.
Hey, we're sharing. We're supposed to be working together.
Get out of here.
And here's Marshall's truck. It's part of his truck here, which is his pup house. Hey, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Riff, riff. Aroo.
Get out of my business.
Hey.
Get out of my business.
And now for the pullback pup gift set. Let's open this one up and play with it.
Look, you have to pass these obstacles.
Cool, this looks awesome. Let's open it up.
Wow! Let's put these here. There's only one chance. Go Power Rangers. Don't you ever stop. Go, go Power Rangers. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Power Rangers Dino Charge.
Hey, check it out. I bet Rocky can blast through this. Paw! And this. Paw! So they have wheels at the bottom.
They have feet.
And feet too, of course. The feet work.
So whoever gets the wrong score for these or gets the bronze trophy has to clean the pup houses
Yes.
for the rest of their life. We have to do it like this.
Are they ready for their challenge?
Yes. Sky is watching from here. Marshall is watching from here.
Who will win bronze, silver, or gold? Is it going to be Rubble, or Rocky, or Marshall?
I think Rocky is gonna win.
Woohoo, Rocky! I vote for Marshall. And go!
Whee!
Yay, Marshall! No! Look at this, it looks like Rocky's the farthest. So he's our winner!
Can we make an obstacle course with the rocks too? So each player gets separated so they don't, if they crash, they're not going to crash into the other persons, so it won't slow them down. Contestants, on your marks! Get set! Go! I win! Now let's see who got... Oh wait, so... You get to be at the first. Marshall, you sadly came in second. Rubble, you were the poorest because you were in third. This is just the first round to see who won the trophies. This is just for now. And here you go, Marshall, and here you go, Rubble. That's not it.
Oh.
Rocky, that's not it. You're still going to have another round to go. Look.
Wow. You've set up a very hard course, Patrick. Good luck, everybody.
See you guys.
Good luck.
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Marshall, you're going to have a bit of a tight squeeze. Contestants, on your marks! Get set!
Ready, set, go. Ah.
I think Rocky won.
Look at Rubble. He didn't get very far. Yeah, see those rocks? They're sure not gonna let him pass.
Wow! You guys have done a lot of damage. Well, Rocky, you have shown you are the best. I think you're going to win the prize. And Rubble, you didn't even make the course, so you are in third.
Let the races begin.
Contestants, on your marks. Get set. Go!
Wow! Look at them. Look at Rubble. His face is planted in the rocks.
Oh, well, I don't know who won, so these two have to have a deciding round. Contestants, on your marks. Get set, go! Oh, I think that was Rocky. So, Rubble, here is your stone to sit on your belly. And here's your trophy, so you have to clean the pup houses. And look, here you go. You only have to clean your brother's pup house. You only have to clean the stadium. You only have to clean up this thing. But Rocky, you have shown great courage, so you get the golden trophy. So here you go, Marshall. And here you go, Rocky.
Congratulations, Rocky, Marshall, and Rubble. Oh man, I have to go clean the pup houses. Check it out. Here's a fun new toy. It's Rubble's Post Office Rescue. And there's a little duck that needs rescue. Rubble will come to its help. Check it out. He's got his rig. This set features some moving parts. Look at that. There's a window or a door that opens. And the rig has moving parts as well, a working scoop and a crane. Rubble on the double. Oh boy, I've got a rescue today. Whoopee! Roof, roof, aroo! Ah! Roof, roof, roof! Ah! Roof, roof, roof! This rig is crazy. That's much better. I've got work to do. Ruff, ruff. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, working crane, working crane. Ooh, yes, we have a rock we can lift. Whoa! Let's set up the post office.
We get 3 crates here, then a staircase for the back as well, and then we're done. Check it out, the Adventure Bay post office. Doors that open, and you've got a delivery system here. There's a door that opens for all the parcels to be delivered and dropped in at the post office. You can also use the back of the post office. There's an upper floor and stairs. I have so much work to do today. Ruff, ruff, aroo! Busy day, busy day. There's gonna be a special delivery today. A shipment is coming in. I need to help make sure it gets delivered at the post office. I've got so many jobs. Ruff, ruff, aroo! When is that shipment gonna get here? My friends are coming to help. Ruff, ruff, aroo! Hey, Rubble. I came to help. I love your new tugboat, Rocky. Hey, lift me up with the crane. I can, but it's kind of dangerous. Whoopee! Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! So much fun! This is better than an amusement park. Ah! What's going on in here? Who's that? Ruff! Ruff! Aroo! Who are you? Who are you? What? I'm your double. Hey, did you hear that noise? I think Marshall is here. Hey, Marshall.
You guys don't have the same armor, so...
Yeah, but this guy, he's been in my pup house eating my snacks.
Who? This guy?
This guy? Yeah, I was just playing and I saw him in there.
Wait, but this is his, so you are eating his snacks.
What? You've been eating my snacks? You mean this is my rig? Get out of here.
You get to be posted in the post office.
What? You're gonna send me on an adventure through the post office?
Yes.
No way, Jose.
Yes, way, Jose.
We're supposed to receive a shipment of ducks. That's gonna be our mission today, guys. I'm going to get that delivery, guys. I'll see you soon. Riff, riff, aroo! I hope that delivery is not gonna be a challenge for us. Coming in, guys.
Now it needs to get put in the post office. In here.
Oh, look, there's a cute little duckling. Quack, quack, quack. Quick, somebody grab it before it escapes.
Quack, 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 quack.
I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it.
Quack, quack, quack.
Oh no, I don't have it.
Quack, quack, quack,
Hey, look, it's flying on top. How are we gonna get it down?
quack, 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 quack.
Oh boy, this is gonna be a tough mission.
Quack, quack, quack. I'll reach my ladder.
I don't think that's gonna help. This duck can fly away.
Quack, 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 quack.
Go quickly after it.
Quack, 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 quack,
Get it, get it.
quack,
Rocky, after it.
quack, 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 quack,
Riff,
quack,
riff.
quack,
Aroo!
quack, quack, quack.
Hey, you better come down, little naughty duck, or we're gonna come up after you.
Quack, quack, quack. I dare you to come up and get me.
We will. Wait and see.
Dude, I'm gonna drop seeds on you.
What?
Here's a duck safe pack that Rubble brought in.
Awesome. That's gonna help us get that duck. So what's the plan, guys?
I'm gonna use my rig.
Awesome, guys. Hey, wait a minute. What's that noise?
Quack.
Ah! Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh my gosh. Ah. What's up with this duck? We've got real trouble on our hands, guys.
Quack, 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 quack.
We need the recycling truck and the rig, guys. I got this, guys.
Me too. This is a big mess.
We're on it. Ah! Good thing I have my hard hat. This duck dropped a rock on me. Can you believe that?
Quack, 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 quack.
Ah! I have a hard hat too, thank God. What? Seeds again. Ah! Ah! Have no fear. Rubble is here. Ah! I've got a hard hat. Hee hee hee.
It's gonna break.
I'm out of here. What a mess.
Ow. Ow. I'm done. I'm getting out of here.
Whoa, whoa. This rock is pulling me down. Look, it's lifted up my rig. The duck is still up there. I think it's sleeping. Now is our chance to get it.
I'm gonna attach my scoop on so I can get him down. Beep. Beep. Now. It's okay. I got some seeds for you. I got some seeds. It's okay, little birdie. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Rubble, you got the duck. Good work. Hey, should we keep this naughty duck?
Yeah, because it was supposed to go to Farmer Yumi, but she canceled the order.
Oh, cool.
Because she heard how naughty it was, so she gave it to the Paw Patrol.
I promise to be your friend, and I'll help clean up. Quack, quack. You've got a deal. Ruff, ruff. Aroo. Hey, I think Rubble is going crazy. He doesn't want all the responsibility.
I'm getting out of here.
You too, Marshall. Come on, look. It's such a cute little duck.
I'm sitting in my truck.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Oh.
What should we name the duck? Quacky?
Yeah, that's a good one. Quacky.
His short name is Quack. You could call him Quack or E. Then like Quacky.
Yeah. That's a good duck.
Did you know how Rubble and Marshall get out of here? They were sitting in their rigs, and then their tails touched the go button on their steering wheel, so it made them fly out.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, why is the duck in my rig?
Because it cleaned up. Look at this place. It's spotless now.
Can you just fly away? Quack, quack. You want to have your home inside of my garbage thing? Because look, it's spotless. Almost spotless. Quack, quack, quack. And look, it has the room for a duck. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to our channel and watch fun videos posted every day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Hasta la vista, baby.